again. Just wanted to continue on with the second part of our ice fishing package, which is going to be the buddy heater. It's a 4 to 9,000 BTU buddy heater. Perfect size for warming up any of the shanties or anything when you're out ice fishing. To get started, we're using the 1 pound propane cylinders that can be purchased right here at Buckingham Hardware, up on our fishing floor. Right here on the side is where you will be screwing this into. If you see right on the heater itself, there's a little knob that sticks out. It fits right in top of the propane cylinder. You just push that knob in, line it up, and screw that clockwise. Until it is seated all the way in. You don't want to over tighten that because you can strip the threads in there. And that whole propane bottle will push right back down into the side. Right here on the side is how you will light this. You'll push down on the knob just a little bit and turn it counterclockwise to where it says pilot. It's listed right there on the side. I'll hold it up so you can see everything. You'll have pilot, low, and high, and off. So you just hit that to pilot and push down on it. You'll actually hear and see it strike down on the bottom. Once you see the flame down here hit the thermocouple, you have to hold down on it for anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds. It has to heat that thermocouple up so it can actually start to receive the propane so it'll work. Okay, then you just let up on that, and when you do that, if that does not stay lit, push back down on the pilot again until that does stay lit and hold it down for like another 30 seconds. Then you will go over, and if you want it on low, which you will have like the 4,000 BTUs, you'll see the gas start to work its way up through the, I can't remember what the white things are called. The plates, the heating plates. On low, you'll see it like that. On high, I think you can see it a little bit better. It'll start to heat that white plate up, and on high, it's putting out about 9,000 BTUs. The most important safety factor I can say with this is if you're in a shanty, make sure that you have ventilation. The most important thing about running this buddy heater in a shanty is worried about carbon monoxide, and this will burn up the oxygen. So if you're not vented, you'll start to get headaches, start to get sleepy, tired. If you feel any of this, shut the heater off, open up your entire shanty, and get out of there and get into some fresh air. It has happened before where the oxygen gets depleted inside the shanty and overtakes the person. So ice fishing is not only dangerous because of falling through the ice, there's a whole bunch of other dangers there as well. This is one that you can avoid just by being able to vent it. I will continue on with our third part of the ice fishing package, which is going to be in just a couple minutes.
I have one question. Is there a safety tip over device on these heaters?
There is. If these tip over, there's also a carbon monoxide in this saying, reading that if it reads that there's less carbon or there's too much carbon monoxide in the room, that it's supposed to shut off. That is from the factory, and I don't doubt it, but I'm not gonna press my luck and wait for that to find out. If, like I said, if you start feeling sleepy or headaches, get out of there. There is a tip over. If it tips over, it's supposed to shut off as well. But again, that's another factory thing that I don't like to trust, but they are there for safety reasons.